Hi, this is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Oil, Gas, Water Knowledge Hub. This presentation, hot bolting activity and process live piping prior to shutdown. Hot bolting. Why use hot bolting? Things to consider before hot bolting. Performing hot bolting. Normally in oil and gas industry, chemical industry, major shutdowns, minor shutdowns will take place. Few days or a month before, they do hot bolting. Hot bolting in the sense, let us learn from here what is hot bolting. See, hot bolting is the practice of removing and replacing of freeing and retightening bolts on live piping and equipment. It is potentially hazardous and the utmost caution needs to be exercised when planning and carrying out hot bolting activity. Why to remove and replace? There are corroded bolts, there are damaged bolts and stuck bolts. Let us talk about one by one. These bolts need damage to be replaced with a new one. So in the sequence of the activities, we have to go through this. It is not recommended as best practice, although it is widely carried out. However, any potential benefits arising from hot bolting should be carefully weighed against the risk and countered. Safety is most important. At the same time, you have to analyze the risk before doing any hot bolting activity and take the precautionary measures to mitigate the risk. Why use hot bolting? Now see, hot bolting is practiced for several reasons, including for replacement corroded or damaged bolts, for upgrading the material specification, grades of bolts. Sometimes they will upgrade the nut and bolts. To minimize the time spent freeing bolts during plant shutdown. Why this is, if you try to open the breakup joint, flange breakup joint during the shutdown, sometimes because of the stocking and corrosion conditions, each bolt will take a lot of time, lot of consumption of time. So we are having very short duration for shutdown activities. So prior to shutdown, we have to free these bolts and if required, replace with new one. And as a practice, the Engineering Equipment Materials and Users Association, EEMUA, they publish an information sheet called Guidance Procedures for the Removal and Replacement of Flange Joint Bolting on Live Piping and Equipment. This is essential reading before carrying out any hot bolt work on live plant. It may be piping or equipment. So, things to consider before hot bolting. Number one, the operator's own working procedure and guidelines. When contemplating hot bolting, a number of factors need to be considered. These are include, but not limited to, point number one. Number two, the piping system and the system's operating pressures and temperatures. Flange joints considered for hot bolting should have a minimum of 8 bolts. You cannot do on 4 bolts flange. It should have minimum 8 bolts. The bolt material should have a minimum strength equal to the greater than grades B7 to H. Okay. Prior to the commencement of work, the site supervisor should review the maintenance history of the joint under consideration and any joints of a similar type which have been hot bolted in the past. Is there any history that should be considered? We have discussed previously on flange management system. If you go through that video, you will understand what is the history. So, the supervisor should carry out a visual assessment of the joint. Hot bolting should not be carried out on joints which show significant signs of corrosion or necking, or which have worn out, cracked threads on the fasteners. Hot bolting should only be attempted under operating conditions when the history of the flange assembly is known. His records exist for the bolt load. We should ensure that previous records are available in place and similar torque we are applying during the hot bolting activity. As I told you, go to my previous video, flange management points are there. You can understand what is the history. The consequences of joint leakage during hot bolt should be considered. For example, toxicity, flammability, temperature of escaping fluids, and all necessary precautions should be taken. Contingency plan should also be put in place for an escape or emergency. Example, means of communications and provision of standby equipment. It should be there in place, contingency plan. Pipework within the vicinity of the joint to be hot bolted should also be reviewed. Pipe supports for the local section should be checked to ascertain whether they are taking the load on the pipe along with their overall condition. If the pipework displays any significant signs of vibration around the specific flange, then hot bolting should not be considered as an option until that vibration is arrested. Is it clear? See some pictures I will show you. This is the process piping example. When you do hot bolting, you should ensure that these bolts are not corroded. Okay? Or doesn't have any damage. What happens if you try to do on the corroded bolts like this? Because some conditions it may fail. This is all live line. So accidents will take place. That is the reason we are not supposed to do on this type of breakup joints. Okay? The sequence, it is most important. Crisscross tightening sequence for circular bolts pattern. See, this is, if you do, first start from here, top 1, 2, opposite. Then this is 3, 4, and 5, 6. Like this, we have to do crisscross tightening. Okay, my friends? Performing hot bolting activity. The site supervisor shall check all the necessary personal materials and equipments are at the work site. That means he should ensure that all safety gloves, goggles, helmet, safety shoes, and right torque wrenches or spares. Okay? And each bolt shall be checked for tightness with any abnormal conditions such as loose bolts, report to the supervisor. Suppose there are 8 bolts, maybe 1 bolt is loose. You should record it why it is loose. Because of the thermal expansion and contractions during the operation conditions, it will take place. Some bolts, 1 or 2 bolts may be loose, but there won't be any leak because there's a lot of bonding is there with the gasket. Hence, we should report any bolt is loose. Carry out hot bolting one by one, bolt at a time, in accordance with the operator correct sequence. So as I discussed, told you operating sequences. This is the sequence. If it is a spiral type sequence starting the middle of the circular. If it is rectangular one, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the sequence we have to do. And legacy number pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, right side, from right side to top. Okay. And tightening start from 1 and 2 here. So alternative to legacy number. Like this we have to do tightening. Okay, my friends. Remove, examine, clean and duplicate each bolt. Complete with nuts for reuse. Any damaged bolts or nuts shall be disposed of and replaced with new items to the correct piping specification. If there is any doubt, the material shall be replaced. All exposed flange surfaces must be cleaned and the area under the nut lubricated. Ensure that bolt cutting by any hot methods. You are doing hot bolting. It doesn't mean that you are supposed to use gas cutting, grinding and all. No. We have to do only cold work activity. Okay, on hot bolting job. So you are not supposed to use any hot methods, including burning and grinding. It's not usually permitted during the bolting operations. Any cold bolting, including hydraulic nut splitting, is usually only permitted by specific supervisory approval of the relevant technical authority. Ensure that the bolt has been correctly tightened before moving out to the next bolt in the sequence. As we discussed, sequence of bolts, how to tighten it. Initial retightening of refitted bolts shall not introduce additional local compression of the gasket. Got my point? If you are tightening as per the previous records, the torque, load, it should not give additional compression to the gasket, because if you give additional force on the gasket, it will get damaged. Okay. So it is a danger also. So after all the bolts have been replaced, a final tightness check shall be carried out again using the specific operator's sequence for the bolting, hot bolting. Completely clean the area, carry out good housekeeping. This is what hot bolting activities. So this is the way we have to perform hot bolting. Thank you, my friends. Wishing you all a very bright career. Knowledge is asset. Have a wonderful time. Please subscribe my channel, review, share my channel, write your comments. Any doubts, please write to me in comment box. I will reply to individuals. Okay, my friends.